finally I'm gonna get rid of this dirt from all over the engine bay so we can drop this engine in there this weekend. So I try to clean my parts with so much stuff like brake cleaner, dish soap, water, pressure washer, brake cleaner and pressure washer, and guess what? It gets clean, but you still have the grime. I think you can see here. So this part here is rough, tough. Let me see if I can touch. Yeah, focus there. This part here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get these parts here. I think you can see here a build up, right? And we're going to use this here, and it's just engine degreaser, and honestly nothing works better than this. And this is actually kind of clean because I start doing that and then I decide to make the little video. So let's do this here. It says to leave like for 15 minutes. I don't have patience, so this actually works very well if you do like this. I got a metal brush, wire brush, I don't know how to call this. So you just like take this thing apart. This here is kind of thick, and I did this with all the parts and the engine. You're gonna see the video, but I'm gonna start with this here because I don't want to hold you down on my video for more than you need, if you don't need to. If you want to see my build, then you can watch the rest of it, but if you want to just see how to clean your parts, quick video, that's it. So that's it here. Everything is loose, and trust me, with just a brush it didn't work. This is a, I don't know if it's a 200,000 mile or it's like close to it, so it's a lot of oil buildup. And use some clothes that you can afford to throw away because this is stinky, and you won't like how your washer and dryer will smell. Look at it, will smell like. Look at this, shiny. I don't know if you can see the light and everything. I'll try to zoom right now. And then you got all this part here. I'm going to, yeah, wow, I'm so impressed. I did so much stuff to this. I like took to the car wash, then put like 300,000 coins, this in my transmission. Nice. Even me, I cannot believe that's like that. Okay, so just for the reference, look at this. Look at that. Shiny. And now you get this other side. It's not too bad because I've done already, but check this out. See this part here? It's like this was pressure washed. This part's here. So you can keep scraping. It just keeps moving around. It's almost like if you were comparing to the kitchen. If you have a pan full of oil and the oil got cold, man, to take that thing out of there is like hell. So this is like melting that oil, but without the hot water. So we have this handy. This is great. It's those towel for garage. Fabric is good, but you don't want to use and reuse. I don't want to wash it. And there you go. It's like a new part. This is crazy. If I knew that before, it would save me so much time, not even money, but only time. It's like I've been procrastinating doing this here for so long because I didn't want to take to the car wash. I knew how hard it was, so I'm saving that time for you. And of course I'm doing this on this carpet thing, and I'm gonna throw that away after. Apparently this is flammable, so you need to wash after. I'm not going to, but that's so me. I'm building my car. I don't have the engine yet. It's not that I'm gonna run it tomorrow. Check this out. Clean, clean, clean. And this costs probably $4 each. And trust me, you don't need to. You do not need to. I have two. Probably it's gonna stay in my garage for the next car I get. Yeah, so this is how you clean the parts. That done. This is one part of my job. I'm gonna show you some of me cleaning all of that and all of this. It was terrible, especially on that side that was super ugly. This is my engine that I'm gonna put in here, but it's beyond the context. Yeah, this part here, that was ugly. This here was like hell. So I'm gonna put this together now, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Alright, so I made some progress. You see that everything here is clean. Here, I mean progress to clean this part here, but look at that. That is clean. So, and you gotta clean all of that, and the other side, and in here, and then we're good to go. Man, that's a hard work. So check it out. So clean, not clean. That is clean, but that thing for some reason it's like something is smeared in there, and I'm not sure, it doesn't come off. I'll try to clean a little bit more, and I gotta clean this side here and all this front, which I'm not too worried about. That was my worry. And you can see down there's full of crap on the floor, so that piece of carpet goes away. And I gotta take this side too. So God help me. Alright, so next day I got some weird shirt, because cleaning those things, it was not easy. It's like down there and stuff, and I end up screwing one of the shirts I love, so I gotta wear stuff that I don't care so I can clean this properly. So let's keep doing it. Alright, this is finally happening. I am going to take this thing out of here. Alright. Work. Oh, wow. Man, looks much cleaner somehow. So let me clean this guy. And of course, I gotta take this screw here. So let's do that. Alright, 2 hours after, I'm kinda done. So I got the engine mount. That's the old one. Still alright, but I'm gonna throw in the trash. I cleaned that part, it was so disgusting. This is the new engine mount. And you see that part out there? The black one? It was dirty. I have no idea. And I mean, I clean as much as I could. You know, those things. This is like, I think it was cracked. This is very soft, so I don't think it's very good. Yeah, so you know, that deserves a little paint. There's some rust up here, so I'm gonna grind and touch up. I guess now I need to be brave and put that baby on. So I guess a few things I need to do. So next video I'm gonna put the engine mount and transmission mount. I'm gonna also install the clutch, which I mean is just a little thing there. I'm gonna make a video for it anyway, and then put the transmission in the engine, and then we're gonna drop it. I think I need an engine leveler, because when I put that in here, I need the engine to be tilted like this, so the transmission gotta be way lower so it goes inside. I could try to put the transmission from underneath and push it up, but I've never done, so I'm not quite sure how this is going to work. What is easier? What would be the best way to do it? I know that the transmission has so many screws, it'll be so hard to reach, so that's why I want to do it from the outside. And so again, what I used was this thing here. I bought a couple, but then I read the back of it and it was saying that you gotta wash after. I can't wash right here, and I have time for this to dry and all that stuff, so I'm not too worried, because it's you can catch on fire. I guess, well, let's hope. I don't know, maybe I'll put all of this, then take to car wash and then wash it off. I don't know. And we also need to put the coilovers, since this is like this. And what I might do is take those calipers out of there and paint yellow or red. Let me know. Alright, subscribe to my channel, like the videos if you like. Don't forget to hit the little bell button, so every time I post a video you get a notification. And thanks for watching.
Look past my face. Si status, amiris a McDonald's. 20 miles.